my name is Fab, and today I'm going to introduce you two topics. Is introduction to cell reproduction and mitosis. So let's talk about introduction first. Yes. So we have a question: why do cells divide? So as cell size increase, the ratio of surface area to volume decrease. And cell must remain small so that materials can diffuse faster. And the life cycle of cell is really short, so they have to divide. This is the cell cycle. So a cell cycle includes all the events that occur between the formation of the cell and the part which is divided. Next, we have two types of reproduction, which is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. So let's talk about sexual reproduction first. So sexual reproduction is individual or originate from two parents, and they occur in units of sex cell containing half an organism's of normal DNA. The advantage of sexual reproduction is really diversity, but it also has some drawbacks too, which is they need to find mate and it's considerably complex. Let's talk about asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction occurs in somatic body cells, and the process they don't need a mate to reproduction, but there's no diversity. But even though it's a simple process, yes. Now we move to mitosis. So why mitosis is important? Mitosis is a type of cell division, and it's also a great repair of damage. Like if you get hurt or broken leg or something, that mitosis help you to replicate it again. And without mitosis, you cannot grow, because without if the cells doesn't replicate, you cannot grow anymore. Yes, and it's not a process that makes sperm and eggs, and that's another type of division. It's called meiosis, but it's pretty similar, so don't be wrong with this. And they produce body cell and make identical cells. So let's move to the interface of mitosis. So it's growth and DNA replication and cell functions. And this is the pie chart. So as you can see that the mitosis just have the lowest figure in the interface. Next is the mitosis stages of division. So we have four letters like PMAT, PMAT, and this stands for four words: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So let's talk it more detail. So when it comes to prophase, chromosome is condensing and visible. And anyone know chromosome is visible, right? And it also stands for middle. And the metaphase is the chromosome lined up in the middle of the cell. The next stage is the anaphase. So at this stage, the chromosomes are moving away to the opposite sides of the cell. Next, the last stage is telophase. So when it comes to this stage, that the chromosomes at complete opposite ends, and the new nuclei start to make new cells. And that's all my presentation. Thank you for listening.